BabyBus.
What happened?
Oh no, oh no, no.
Watch out!
Oh no, oh no, no.
Danger!
I got a flat tire. I don't know what to do.
Let's take a look.
Okay.
Hi, I'm a mechanic, a very good mechanic. Don't worry, street sweeper, let me take a close look. I need a new tire. This is my toolbox.
Wow, so many tools.
Rattle, rattle, clack, clack, clack. Now you are all right.
Yay, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Huh?
Oh no, oh no, no. Oh no, oh no, no. My engine's broken. I don't know what to do.
Ollie,
Zach, help me.
leave it to me. Hi, I'm a mechanic, a very good mechanic. Don't worry, police car, let me take a close look. Aha! This is my toolbox.
Wow, so many tools.
Rattle, rattle, clack, clack, clack. Now you are all right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh no, oh no, no. Oh no, oh no, no. Danger! My door is broken. I don't know what to do. Don't worry, Zach's coming. Hi, I'm a mechanic, a very good mechanic. Don't worry, big bus, let me take a close look. This is my toolbox.
Wow, so many tools!
Rattle, rattle, clack, clack, clack. Now you are all right.
Thank you!
Thank you. You're welcome.